guys, Coder Boy Jaywal here. In this video I will tell you how you can reset your Windows to 10. I am doing from Windows 11. So let's get started. So if you are doing from Windows 7 or 8, you just follow my same steps and you will go from Windows 7 or 8 to 10. So let's get started. For search here, download. We need to install Windows 10. So we need to install Windows 10 ISO for it. Windows 10. You can see here's a Microsoft website, and here I will tell you the genuine method how to download and install Windows 11 for free. So you can see that here is the tool to download Windows 10 ISO. You can see that it's a Microsoft website. Just after you enter here, scroll down and click on download tool now. Click on start download. Till that guys, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe it. Press the bell icon and hit the like button. So guys, I will meet you when this download process completes. So guys, now you can see that my download process is completed of that tool. So now click on open or a folder, or from your browser click on show in folder, and just one left click one time and right click it and click on run as administrator, and then yes. And now you can see that the ISO downloader tool of Microsoft Windows 10 is now loading. It will take some time. Give it time. Don't launch it again and again, otherwise it will crash. So now here to download the ISO you need at least 10 to 12 GB internet. So please take care of that.
Dangerous groups that we're dealing with now.
So guys, now you can see that the process is being started. Now just this is the agreement for it, and click on accept. From the first this step you need to be connected to the internet. So guys, now you can see that our the next step has been came. So here we will make a bootable pen drive, or we are going to create here bootable pen drive. So you will need at least 10 GB bootable pen drive for this process. So check this second option and click next. Here check off this box, and here click on both. And you can see here Windows 10 is coming, so we will download the ISO for it. So now here if you check this option, you need to plug in your pen drive, and it will if you check this option, and directly it will boot the ISO in the pen drive. So I don't recommend this option. Check this box, it will give you only the ISO file for it. We need to make it bootable. So now it is telling that where you want to save the file. So I will save on downloads. So save it. So guys, now you can see that the Windows 10 ISO is now downloading. So I will cancel this process. I have already downloaded this. So now it will close, cancel it here.
The dangerous groups that we're dealing with now.
Now you can see that the window has been gone now. So if after the downloading of your file, you will see that it has come in like this image. Let me show you. So you can see that it is coming like this. After downloading your device, it will also come like this. So let's see how we can make bootable, how we can boot this in our pen drive. So let's see. For this, we need to also download a software. And don't worry, it is not much of big size. It is 3 to 4 MB only. The software name is Rufus. Search here Rufus and you will get the website, and the ISO download link and Rufus download link you will get in this description box. So you can see that Rufus download link is, we also get it. It is downloaded. It's 1 MB size. Click on open folder, and for this process you don't need any internet. You need internet for the downloader of the ISO. And after this, click on yes. Right click and run as administrator. So you can see now Rufus is been installed and now it is open. So after the installation of it, plug in your pen drive. So let me plug in first. So guys, now you can see that I have plugged in my pen drive and it is showing my pen drive name. So to do it, just click on this. Just after this, first plug in your pen drive, and after that click on boot selection and select here disk or ISO image. So click on select and now load the ISO image which we have downloaded just now. So you can see that, and here check this option, standard Windows installation. And here for this I will tell you that if your disk is MBR supported, then check here MBR, and if it is GPT supported, then check it GPT. Otherwise this process will not run. So to check, if you don't know how to check it, so I will tell you. Search here computer management. Open start button and search computer management. And after this, click on disk management. And after clicking on the disk management, you can see here my all disks are being loaded. So to do that, this is my pen drive and this is my CD-ROM and this is my main hard drive. So you click on it and click on properties and click on volume tab. So you can see that here partition style is telling that MBR. Okay, so I will choose here MBR. If here your GPT is there, then click on GPT. Only this step is different and this is very important step. Okay, so now after doing this all, go and click on start. And after clicking on start, it is telling that all the data on my pen drive will get destroyed. So I have already created the bootable pen drive, so I will not do it, and you need to give it a little bit time here. You have seen that my pen drive has been bootable already. So let me close this. guys, I will tell you that take a backup of your computer and take the important data of it, because the C drive on which your Windows is installed, it will get fully cleaned, and other, if you keep your data in other disks, it will not get cleaned. So I will tell that take a note of all your drives and check that of which sizes they are.
Groups that we're dealing with now.
So now let's start the installation of Windows. Close everything, and I will tell you that if you are using any external dongle or anything, Wi-Fi dongle, Bluetooth dongle or anything, unplug it and only plug in the pen drive. Close everything. So guys, now you can see that after closing all the programs here, just click on start button and shut down your PC. You can see that I am doing it. So now you can see that my PC is shutting down. So after it gets shut down, I will tell you that you need to continue press the boot key. You need to turn the PC on again and press the boot key continuously. So I will explain about boot key. So in every PC or laptop there's a different boot key. So to find it out, just search on Google your laptop's model number and after that boot key and press enter. You will get it. And for desktop, search your motherboard model number and for that and same boot key. So that also you will get the boot key here there under Google. So I know my computer's boot key, it is F8. So let's see now. So guys, now you can see that I am turning my computer on. So you can see that it is on now. So now continue press F8 or boot key you got from
Groups
Google.
that we're dealing with now.
Now again continue press F8. See, I am doing it. So you can see here, after pressing the boot key, you will don't forget to plug in your pen drive, and after pressing it, you will see here many names here of all the discs. So here you have to select your pen drive. So after this, here if you see two options, VFI, don't select this, select the upper one. So you can see here, press any key to boot from USB. So press it. So now you can see here it is showing 64-bit. If you want to install 64-bit, then do it 64-bit, and if you want to install 32-bit, then do it 32-bit. So some guys will be confused between these. So let me explain it. So if you want to use 64-bit, then your device should be i3 processor and 4GB RAM or more than 4GB RAM, it is okay. So and if you want to use 32-bit, then if your PC is i3 or lower and 2GB RAM or lower than it, then use 32-bit. So I am using here 64-bit. So check it and click enter. So let us click it. You can see here it is now loading files. So guys, now you can see that our PC is booting from our pen drive. So you can see that. So guys, now you can see that after the loading files process, this screen has been coming, and this we have boot this from our pen drive, the ISO file which we have booted from the Rufus software. So now from this is coming. So if your mouse is not working here, so then don't worry. In your computer or laptop there will be a tab. You can use it for scrolling down the options, and for enter it will execute it. So you can see that I press here enter, and it get executed. So wait here. So you can see that it is asking for product key. So you don't need product key. In this video only I will tell you how you can activate your Windows without giving any money for free. So till that, click on this option. I don't have a product key. So now here I suggest you to download Windows 10 Pro. Sorry, not download, install. And accept the agreement and click on next. And here you can choose custom install. Here the disks are loading. This is the main important step. You must follow this. So here you can see that this is my right now Windows 11 installed disk. In this disk my Windows is now installed. So I am going to format this disk. It is compulsory for local disk C. For this disk it is not compulsory. If you want to install in this disk, you have to format the data in this. So I that's why I told you to take backup. So I am going to install in this disk. So if you have not taken suppose if you have not taken backup of this disk, so don't worry, nothing will happen to this disk. So okay, now let's format this disk. If you nothing see here, there will be option to more options here. Click on it and you will be able to see the format button here. So let's format this. So now you can see that our disk has been formatted.
The dangerous group
So now
that we're dealing with
in
now.
which disk you want to install, put the option on that and click on next. So you can see that this will take little bit time, and this is the main installation of Windows. So I will meet you when this process completes. So guys, now you can see that my download installation process is completed. That percentage was showing. Now it was 100%, so it's now completed. So my PC has restarted one time. So now you can see that our Windows 10 is been installed, and now the further process is been getting started. Select the first option. Guys, I would like to tell you, if your system restarts many times, so don't worry, it will restart, and it will not cause any harm to your PC or laptop. And I will tell you that if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe it, hit the like button and click on the bell icon. So you can see that after this getting device is ready, process has been started. Means our Windows 10 is properly installed and it's setting up. So here it will take some time. I will meet you when this process is get completed. So guys, now you can see that my getting ready process is just now finished and my PC has again restarted. So now let's see what happens. So finally guys, we have got the just a moment screen after the intro of the Windows 10. So let's see. If your PC takes some time, so give time, don't switch it off or don't do anything. Leave it alone and
The dangerous
give some time to it.
groups that we're dealing with now.
If your PC doesn't have SSD, then it will take some time. So guys, now finally you can see that after the just a moment screen, this is the Windows 10 configuration window has been opened. So now let's configure it. Put your country, in which country do you live. Choose your India and continue. If you want to add a second keyboard layout, so add it. I will skip it here. Click here, I don't have internet. After this, continue with limited setup. Put your name for your PC. We put our YouTube channel name. So let's see, put our YouTube channel name and continue it. And put a password for it. Click enter. After this, type your password again to confirm it. And if put the security
The
questions
dangerous
for it.
groups that we're
Means
dealing with
if you
now.
have forgot your password, you must be remembering. You have to put the question and suppose this is first. What is your first pet's name? So right here. This. So if you will remember this, your Windows will allow you to change the password. It is maximum 3 times. After this, click on again next. You can put here anything. Here also, if your mouse is not working, then you can use tab button, tab and enter. And to select this type of question, you can select. You take use of arrow keys. You can see that there are 3 questions and all are done. And click on accept. Here not now. Click on not now. You can see that finally it is configured. All the settings are done, and finally it is telling hi. are successfully completed this step, then congratulations, your Windows 10 is successfully installed.
The dangerous groups that we're dealing with now.
So guys, now you can see that our Windows 10 is successfully installed. So congratulations for that, you have installed the Windows 10 by your own from your own bootable pen drive. So now let's see how to install the Chrome browser. So let's see from the screen recorder. So guys, now you can see that we have successfully installed our Windows 10 on our PC, and I have also successfully installed my screen recorder. So now let's see how to install the if you are using Wi-Fi dongle. So now let's see how to install. So if you are having a Wi-Fi dongle and you want to install it, you must be getting the CD with it. Nowadays it is just plug and play, means you have to plug in that and automatically no, you have to install the driver for it. But earlier it was you will get a CD with it, so you can get it from there. Just plug, if you got a CD, then plug the CD in and open the CD and click on yes, and you can see that our Wi-Fi is being getting installed. So now you can see that earlier I was using phone internet from the wire. So now our Wi-Fi is been started. So guys, now you can see that I have successfully connected my Wi-Fi. So now let's see how to install the Chrome browser. So to install it, just search here Google Chrome. First go to google.com and then search here
The dangerous groups that we're dealing with now.
for Windows 10. So now you can see this website link is also in description. You can download it from here after searching. Click on here. You can see it's set up to download. Click on show in folder. Right click and click on run as administrator. Now you can see using internet and it's now downloading. So I will meet you after the download completes. So guys, now you can see that our browser is been downloaded and now it is installing. So let's wait for it. So you can see that browser is been installed. that's all in this video, guys. And if you have not visited my website yet, its name is App Khazana. Here you can find latest apps, web apps, games made by me, and you can download and use it for free. So if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe it. Press the bell icon and hit the like button. And in the next video, I will tell you how to set video wallpaper as a video. How to use video as your wallpaper. So that's all in this video, guys. Goodbye.